Hello everyone, my name is John Connor Dykes, and for my building I chose the Elyton Hotel in downtown Birmingham, formerly the Empire Building, at the corner of 1st Avenue and 20th Street. Here's a picture of the completed hotel. It was finished in 1912, and here at the bottom you can see the Doric columns that we will address later in the video. Some interesting facts about the building. It was commissioned by the Empire Improvement Committee and was funded by the MetLife Insurance Company, the first such construction funded by an insurance company in the entire nation. The architects were William Warren and William Wilton, and the building itself is located on the so-called heaviest corner on Earth, and it was named because in 1912, 4 buildings at each corner were the highest or the largest buildings in the South. In 1917, Harry the Human Fly Gardner scaled the entire height of the building without safety equipment or harnesses in front of a large crowd. And in 1982, it was added to the National Register of Historic Places. So for the architectural features of the building, here on the first floor on the picture on the right, you can see smooth Doric columns made of pink granite. And in a slight departure from the Doric style, you can see that there is some relief work in the capital of the columns at the top. On the left, you'll see in the top floor they have fluted, sort of rotated Doric columns in the arched windows at the top floor, and here you'll see a relief of William Warren, one of the architects who built it. Here is an image of the frieze. You can see in the entablature it has a very nice relief work frieze here, and again you'll see some more relief work in the square columns in between the windows. And the cornice work itself is at the top, and it wraps around the whole building. You'll see it's very well done, very well held up. It was actually renovated in 2006 when it was changed to the Elyton Hotel, and you'll see some more triglyphs again that wrap around the building. Here at the very center top of this picture, you'll see a representation of William Welton, the other architect, and surrounding that at each on the side of the building you'll see the emblazoned E representing formerly the Empire Hotel, now the Elyton Hotel. And reliefs of William Welton are found at each of the 4 corners of the building. And again, down here you can see many different classical elements of relief work at each of the arch windows. The old gentleman with the beard is meant to be the representation of William Warren, the older of the 2 architects. So I chose this building because it is such a historical landmark in downtown Birmingham, and it does exhibit many of the typical classical architectural elements that you find in ancient Greece. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Thank you very much.